You leave home, and an hour later, the doubt hits. Did I leave the AC on? Is the geyser still running? Instead of opening every room and checking every switch one by one, the home page gives you an instant summary of your entire home. You can immediately see how many devices are on, how many are off, and how many are unreachable. Open the app. On the home page, you will see the device status summary. Here, you can check Unreachable devices. If any device shows as unreachable, it means that switch has lost connection and may be powered off, reset, or disconnected from Wi-Fi. That helps you catch problems early instead of finding out later when a device or automation stops working. Turned on devices. View all devices that are currently on. If any device is running unnecessarily, you can turn it off instantly from the app. Turned off devices. With one glance, you can understand the live status of your entire home without opening individual rooms or switches. Thank you.